So we just finished putting the stakes up, the rope. So when we pull the herd through from down through the woods pasture.
And I helped.
And that's the farm worker there. She got her vest on and hunting cap.
So they
Stop
can
the
see
traffic.
me.
So they could see her when she stopped the traffic.
End up as no roadkill.
You got that right. And we got to bring them from the pasture back in the woods down there and bring them over to the pastures back across the road here. Carry them through that gate and bed them down for the night. Feed them and bed them down. And also notice the little baby calves. We had one born about 2 weeks ago. Yeah, about 2 weeks ago. Going on 2 weeks. And then there's some that was born a month or so earlier. But the little ones, you'll notice them running along behind their moms. So hopefully we don't lose any and they run off in the woods in another direction. All right.
Did we lose none yet?
And
we haven't lost any yet.
Says she ain't lost none yet.
He told us what to do, and we follow direction, and they scoot on across the road. You just gotta wait for the nuts to stop flying up and down the road. They really fly up and down this road.
And eventually, Swayback Branch Family Farms, across the road you see that beige shelter. He's going to put close it in and put meats over there. He might put another building there as well, but he's in the process of being certified, and I do believe he's already certified to do it, licensed with the state of North Carolina. So he'll be selling natural meats, beef, right, raised and born on this farm, ranch, and fresh meat. Ain't got no chemicals in it, none of that. So we'll post some new stuff up later when that comes to fruition, but it's in the makings already. He already been approved. All right, we get back with you. Winter chicken dinner.
I know.
Man, they came by so fast. I ain't even had time to take a picture of them. They was bucking, weren't they?
Yeah, they're about trying to run me over.
Run you over? Yeah. Them two babies I thought was trying to break her loose.
They were. Yeah, that's what I was worried about them.
Hit that like button, help out my channel. Subscribe, it's free while we cook up some more good videos that's seasoned just right, my brothers.